RCAT Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing and looking at the RCAT holdings, $8.56 is where we're at, 15% down, and I absolutely love how the price just started picking things up. You know, market cap's phenomenal. I just love the trend. Also technicals, you know, like generally speaking, this is where I call things out beforehand towards the bullish side. And obviously I have proof over promise, because
yeah, it's
I'm the only one that can say that has done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years exactly like this every day in a row. You know, that was made 18th of December.
quite of an exciting.
And since then, as the price delivered, I'm looking for like the same thing. This is such like hard time from bullish market for me, but like it coming down is like not that big of a concern for me, because I understand like as long as there's like a shift, there's like literally nothing stopping me from taking things up, even from like a swing trade opportunity. But like obviously I'm going to continue to keep you updated and stay tuned. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, there's a free newsletter, first link in the description, so join in, because I'm sending an email tomorrow, so you don't want to miss out. It's free.